Thank you for choosing GamBoodLe. This series explores how to write an effective 5-paragraph persuasive essay. In Part 6, we will look at how to use transition sentences in a persuasive essay. As mentioned earlier, transition sentences can link your paragraphs together and provide an organizational flow. Transition sentences can be used at the beginning or end of a paragraph. The following examples of transition sentences will be related to our theme of cats versus dogs. Transition sentences can be used to make comparisons or show similarities. Some examples of transition words or phrases are similarly, also, both, like, as with, and just as. Let's look at an example. Most dogs enjoy quality playtime. By the same token, cats also relish the opportunity to chase a ball across the floor and leap after feathers dangling from a string. Transition sentences can also be used to show contrast or how things differ. Some examples of transition words or phrases are however, although, meanwhile, yet, conversely, or whereas. Let's look at an example. There are a lot of enjoyable aspects to owning a dog. On the other hand, dog ownership also comes with its fair share of work and responsibility. Transition sentences can show cause and effect, or in other words, how one thing leads to another. Some examples of transition words or phrases are therefore, consequently, thus, so, because, and due to. Let's look at an example. An increasing number of people travel with their pets. As a result, hotels are becoming more pet-friendly. Transition sentences can add or combine two ideas together. Some examples of transition words or phrases are furthermore, moreover, additionally, besides, as well as, and also. Let's look at an example. A balanced diet is vital to keeping your dog happy and healthy. Equally important is maintaining its dental hygiene. Transition sentences can emphasize an idea or make it stronger. Some examples of transition words or phrases are especially, certainly, indeed, in particular, definitely, and obviously. Let's look at an example. Studies have shown that dog owners are more likely to reach their fitness goals than cat owners. Without a doubt, daily dog walks can only make you fitter. Transition sentences can be used to prove an idea. Some examples of transition words or phrases are because, evidently, in fact, obviously, furthermore, and indeed. Let's look at an example. Studies have shown that cat owners tend to be more intelligent and non-conforming than dog owners. Evidently, if you want to hire innovators, you should check your nearest cat cafe. Transition sentences can be used to show time. Some examples of transition words or phrases are later, and then, previously, subsequently, immediately, and soon. Let's look at an example. When we installed the aquarium, my aunt was immediately drawn to it. After a few hours, she was relaxed and enjoying an unusually hearty meal. Transition sentences can be used to show the conclusion or end of an idea. Some examples of transition words or phrases are accordingly, finally, hence, in brief, lastly, and consequently. Let's look at an example. Numerous studies have shown that dogs are preferred to cats when treating people with PTSD. In the final analysis, dogs are the clear favorite for their calming and therapeutic effect on those living with trauma. Name 5 types of transition sentences. Compare, contrast, cause and effect, add, emphasize, prove, time, and conclusion. How do transition sentences enhance an essay? They provide organizational flow by linking paragraphs in a coherent and cohesive manner. In Part 7, our final part of this course, we will go over how to outline a 5-paragraph persuasive essay.